Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Acura RDX oil light full guide. Start with the ignition off and key in the accessory position, then cycle to on without starting. Press the select/reset button to reach the maintenance menu, find the oil life item, and hold the button until the percentage resets to 100%. Confirm the reset and turn the ignition off. That completes the quick reset process. Follow the multi-information display prompts slowly and deliberately so the system registers each input. Use the steering wheel controls or dash button to scroll to maintenance, then highlight oil life. Press and hold the reset button for several seconds until the display reads 100% or resets fully. If prompted, confirm by selecting yes. Turn the ignition off and back on to verify the oil light no longer appears on the dash. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car tips. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker I use to time my steps makes a great garage companion and keeps music or timers handy while you work on your vehicle. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, stay calm and retry the reset sequence step by step, since timing matters. Confirm the key position and display mode before holding the reset button. For stubborn lights, a battery that is low or a disconnected sensor can interrupt the process. Refer to the vehicle guide for alternate menu names and, if necessary, get a professional inspection to rule out sensor or system faults before assuming a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.